because we are also going in this semester we three people are also going to develop this application again, because this is not the proper something. There is something missing is this. There in some coding part we are missing something because the standard is not there. I am talking about the standard. The standard which we need for to create this application, the standard is not there. For every application there we need some standards so that we can extend it afterwards if we want. Okay, so we are going to develop this again. So if you people want to join, you can also join to us. Okay, now I am going to ask you one. It's the time 10:10. I am going to display you how to create setup in .NET, but it will take minimum 15 minutes. So I am not going to show you that how to create setup in .NET. I am just coming on the pointers because we have to leave 10, 15 or last 10, 20. So just I am going to ask one question. That since you all know what is pointer? One by one. Yes.
आता हे क्वेश्चन आन्सर के सेशन मध्ये फर्स्ट इयर
Anything else? Only this much? Do you know that pointer can also contain the address of function? How much of you know that?
क्लिअरिटी आहे
12 मेगापिक्सेलचा कॅमेरा
कुठला पडला
आपल्याला काय माहिती अक्षाचा आहे
तू नाही लक्षात त्याच्यामध्ये
लावून दे फोटोग्राफर कधी येत असतो
नाहीतरी आणला पाहिजे असतो असं कसं शकत
So a pointer can contain the address of another variable as well as a function can also contain the address of function. Okay, this is the one thing which is also can be asked in the interview, because you people only know that the pointer can contain the address of variable. In the books that is only written. But just go on Google and search for the function pointer in C. You will see that what is there in the function pointer. But this is the advanced level concept, so I am not going to concern much more on this. I am going to ask two questions on pointers only. My first question is, okay, first tell me, as you all know that the pointers are there in C++. But can you tell me, there are different types of pointer as you all know. Integer pointer, floating point pointer, integer pointer, floating point pointer and char pointer. As you all know. But as you all know that the pointer contains the address of variable. But my question is that the memory address is of the same kind. Memory address is of the same kind. There is nothing like integer memory address or floating point memory address. Get or not? Their memory address is of the same kind. Okay? And one more. But there are different types of pointers. Why? Why not a single pointer can be used to contain the address? Since there are one kind of memory address, there are no different kind of memory address. But why not a single pointer is used to contain the address? Yes. Second year student.
What?
क्वेश्चन समझ में आया है नहीं? देखो अपने C के अंदर C++ के अंदर जो पॉइंटर्स होते यूज करते हैं, इंटीजर पॉइंटर, फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट पॉइंटर्स एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट. लाइक I am going to give you one example that I am using one integer pointer int star p. I am using char star p1. Why I used to take these two pointers? Why I need? Pointer contains the address, and the address is of the same kind. But why integer pointer? Why character pointer is there? Why not a single pointer is there?
सांग ना
Yes.
तू सांग ना
What?
Space allocation before.
Okay, I am going to tell you. Suppose if you are doing pointer arithmetic, okay, arithmetic is if you are incrementing the pointer. Suppose I am incrementing this pointer, okay, p plus plus. What will be happen over here? How much byte will increment? 2 bytes, because it is integer pointer. And how much this byte this one will be? So how the compiler knows that 1 byte or 2 byte? Due to data type. Got or not? So we need the data type. So the data type tells the compiler that you increment or decrement this much of byte. So data type is necessary. But there may be the question that, sir, there is one void pointer. This is the single pointer, byte. We can use void pointers. So where that concept is? So where that means that this byte, what I have asked previously, that question is wrong. Whether, so can you give me the why there is void pointer can be used with other with data types? Void pointer, you all know about the void pointers? Yes. The pointer which contains the address of any variable. So what I have previously told you, that is totally wrong with this. So what will be the answer if I am saying I can use the void pointers with this? So the answer is that when you are using void pointers, on that time you are also typecasting. Any type, do you know the meaning of typecasting? Means you are changing the integer to character or character to integer. This is the typecasting. So when you are using void pointer, on that time you are again using typecasting. Okay. So on that type, why we are typecasting? Because we tell the compiler that yes, you have to convert it into character or you have to convert it into integer. So that's why we are using here. Now the last question about pointer is that do you know that in Java or .NET pointers are not there, but in C and C++ pointers are there? Do you know that in Java and .NET pointers are not there, but in C, C++ pointers are there?
WSD
Very good.
BCN
But can you tell me why? Has anyone? This type of question is asked in the interview. That's why I am asking. In the books, you are not going to. So this type of question will not be. You will not be going through. So just tell me why. The question is that the pointers are available in C, C++, but not in Java and .NET. Why? Yes.
Most of the program or database applications containing Java or .NET. So with the help of the pointer, you can directly access the database. You can directly access.
I'm not getting. Again.
Most of the
You are
applications.
saying in C++ or Java?
Java.
In Java. Good. My question is that in C, C++ pointers are not there,
Yeah.
but in Java and .NET pointers are there. Why?
Pointers are there.
Sorry, in C, C++ pointers are there, but not in Java. Why?
Because most of the application contains in Java or .NET.
But suppose if I want to create application in C, C++ or then,
You can use the pointer.
but why? I am asking why pointers are there in C, C++ but not in Java and .NET. Yes. It is right, and anything else? Very good. Yes. Yes. For memory access in C, C++, we are going to use pointers. But that way we can't use pointers in Java. Okay, I am going to show you why. Do you know what we are doing with the pointers? We are accessing the memory. But the Java and .NET says that .NET says that you cannot access the memory directly. Because when you are accessing the memory, what you are doing, you are doing the operating system work. Because what is the definition of what is the work of operating system? Operating system do the memory management for us. Whether when we are using any application, whether we bother about the memory, we don't. Because so Java and .NET says that you don't need to bother about the memory access. We will do for you. Java says that we will do for memory management for you people. You don't need to do it. But two pointers. Suppose if I am C, C++, I have created one application like this which I have created. Okay, and I am connected with the internet. And suppose my one hacker has been hacked my computer. So can he use that particular memory? Can he use my memory? my RAM. Yes, he can use because through the use of pointers, he can access my memory or he can crash my memory. So Java and .NET stated no, we will not give this. So the Java and .NET programs are more secure than the C and C++. What or not? But still we need pointers again. We cannot live without the pointers. We cannot create programs or any language without the program, without the pointers. So why it is there in against C++? We say that there is some problem in pointers. That's why Java and .NET say that we will not use. But still there is pointers in C and C++. They have not been removed by. Because do you know that operating system or any compiler or any drivers are still created in C and C++ only. Because they need that memory access. What they are doing, like one of my friends is sitting over there. His name is Pawan. His brother is has done VLSI. In that they are making drivers for Linux. And they are making in C and C++ because they need the pointers to make the drivers. They have what they are making to develop the drivers. They need the memory. They need to access the memory. Okay, so these type of application we need the memory access. So in these type of application we will create in C, C++. And if we want something like any application does not like I have created yesterday I have shown you one project. So these type of application we will use in Java and .NET. Can you tell me what is the time?
Okay, 5 minutes रह
Okay,
गए.
sorry for that. Today I am not seeing you much more practical examples because due to some timing problem, my laptop problem is there. I will show you when I will get the chance again how to create setup. And one thing I was missing is that I want to show one more project, but I have not shown till now. I will show when I will get the next. So just to share for this section here, you just take the attendance of your class. Thank you for that. And one more thing, I want to ask you from you people that I was giving yesterday. That was my first webinar when I was taking in front of you people. So I want to know that whether I am okay with you or not. Just I want to know that whether I was giving I want your suggestions that whether I was giving you the right way or something I have to change. I want your suggestion whether I should go in this way or I should change something in my when I am giving the presentation.
Speak up. If any feedback, please. Speak
Yes,
up.
feedback. Actually, this was my first presentation. That's why I am asking. Something here, just give the feedback.
Oh, feedback feed
Feedback
दिए.
form.
Oh, दे दिया distribute.
Okay, feedback form has been given to you, so just fill it up. And thank you for your thank you and wishing for you to whole your life.
Good morning, guys.
Okay, and just submit your that feedback form.
Submit your
Prasad.
feedback form.
Prasad.
Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Just put it over here.
Okay, Akshay finish.
You guys enjoyed or not?
अरे 5 मिनिटात आम्ही क्या आता.
Okay, tell me one thing. Do you want such type of technical seminar some more? If you want, it's on you.
Have you got something from 2 days which I have told you? So that I will invest much more to tell you much thing in the next future. So one more thing, if you people want to join us to take seminars or do something like make projects, so we are welcome. These people are welcome to join with you. So just come with us. You will find very much.
See, this is the particular way to think like a developer. Yesterday I told you that you should take classes. You should share your knowledge. So in this way you can achieve excellence.
Okay,
This is the way
just
to
call
achieve
him that
excellence.
finish the presentation.
Particularly this boy has been doing programming and programming. literally, let me tell you, is the top of a batch. He does programming 24 hours. 24 hours. Which is totally involved in programming.
Dedicated.
So it is a perfect developer. So in that way, I'm saying, keep on.
वही मैं स्वतः भी
Okay. Pankaj, shall we conclude?
या
Chalo, then thanks a lot. It was very nice to interact with you guys.